howtodotherobot.com.
You know you want to.
Hi! Oh, hello there. We're going to work on a little isolation exercise now. We're just going to do some arm raises. Now I know normally you see this kind of a robot. You might even be the one doing this kind of robot. Look at me! I'm the robot! Yeah. Sure, it's fun for a little while, but really, doesn't this look much better? You want to know why it looks better? It's because of isolation work. Isolation's the foundation of the robot. So what we're going to work on now is a little isolation work. We're going to start with our arms. Simple, right? You would be surprised. The temptation to move other parts of your body is very tempting. Don't do that. For example, you see this moved a little bit. You don't want that. You just want it to come straight up from the elbow and then straight back down. I'll do it from the other side too. Straight up, straight down. Nothing else moves. Just your forearm and hand. Okay, so together, let's do it. All right, everybody, stand up, stand up. I'm not moving on until you stand up. Okay, good. All right, so starting with your right arm, we're going to go up, down. Nice. The other arm. Up, down. Good. Together. Up, down. Back to the right. Up, down, switch it, up, down, good. Together, up, down. And when you put it all together, there you go. What do you think about the white box? It's cool, huh? I like it.
What's it called? Lurching? Lurch. Crumping. Oh, Nick.
DVDs! We got them. Lots of them. A whole lot of them.
DVD is incredible, and who wants to watch on YouTube? Look how small we are.
Seriously.
Look how small I am talking to you right now. Do you really? You can't even see my legs like that?
Yes.
Yeah. You can't even see his legs.
Yes.
We've got paid downloads that you can put on your iPod, your PSP, or your cell phone.
Buy the DVD.
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 You can stream the whole lesson plan over an hour of footage for just over $1. And you don't have to keep clicking back and forth, back and forth.
And it costs nothing once you learn how it costs.
Our
When
journey
you
was
learn to do it,
long.
it costs
I
nothing.
can just start roboting right now.
And
I
guess
don't
what?
need music. I don't need anything.
So please, come and visit the site.
There's so much goodness in it.
Just buy it.
It's so
seriously.
beautiful and
It's so
wonderful.
good. It's
It's
so
healthy
good.
for you.
It's so good.
It is healthy
It's so good.
for
And we put a lot of work into it, and we hope that you'll come back for more.
Truly, we just want you to feel good about yourself.
That's why we're doing this. We want to spread the dance.
How to
No.